how do we actually gain weight and lose weight? And more specifically, how do we gain muscle and lose fat and gain fat? So how did you gain fat? Or how did anybody gain fat? What happens is you eat food. It gets converted into something called ATP. ATP is like a battery. When ATP gets used, it's like a used battery. And it becomes ADP and P. And how does it get used? It gets used when you want to do something. You want to make something move. So you want to make the heart move. You want to make the lungs move. You want to make your muscles move. You're going to use ATP. You're going to use a battery. This battery gets turned into a different kind of battery. This different kind of battery is called glycogen. When this battery is full, it gets converted into a different battery. And that is your fat cells. And the reason it's able to turn from this kind of battery to this kind of battery is because the main source of power is acetyl-CoA. It's a compound. It's a long-chain compound with a lot of ATPs on it. So a lot of batteries. If you want to lose weight, you first have to lose the energy that you just ate, which is in your blood. So I'm going to write that down, blood. And then you're going to lose the energy that's in your liver. And that's called glycogen. And then you're going to lose the energy in your adipocytes or fat cells. And once you do that, you'll start to lose weight. That's why calories in versus calories out always works. You just have to know if you are first losing the blood, glucose, then the liver, and the adipocytes and fat cells. And that will happen because you cannot use energy you don't have. So if you're trying to do some work and you're able to move, you will have to use energy. And if you are using energy, that's calories out. You need to have energy to use it. That's calories in. And if you're using more, if you're using this, and this, then you'll finally reach this and you will lose weight. Same thing with calories in for protein synthesis. First, you need specific food like proteins. They make energy, and energy is used to build muscles. That's a muscle. And if you want to gain weight, like fat, for example, then you need to do this cycle, but in reverse. You first are going to start with blood glucose. You need to eat something. And if you eat enough, then the extra energy gets stored in the liver. And then the extra energy after that gets stored as fat. So that's how you lose weight, gain muscle, lose fat, and gain fat. Make sure to comment anything you didn't understand.